In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align text in Notion. Even though Notion doesn't have a native center text button for regular pages, you can achieve a clean, centered look by using a simple 3-column layout and placing your content in the middle column. I'll walk you through exactly how to set that up and add a couple of helpful touches. Start by opening the page where you want your centered text to live. Click into the page so your cursor is active. Type the / key to open the block menu, then start typing column. From the suggestions, choose the option to create 3 columns. This instantly gives you a left, a center, and a right area to work with, which is the basis of this centering trick. Click into the left column and give it a quick label if you like, just to keep things organized. Do the same for the center column and then the right column. Naming them left, center, and right can help you stay oriented as you build. Labels are optional, but they're handy if your page has a lot going on. Now click into the center column. Press enter to add a new block and begin typing your headline, paragraph, or call out. Because that content lives in the middle column, it will appear visually centered on the page with equal space on both sides provided by the empty columns. That's the key idea here. You're centering by layout, not by text alignment. If you want a tighter or wider look, hover near the edges of the columns and drag the handles to adjust their widths until the middle column feels perfectly balanced. If you want the centered text to stand out more, open the color options for that block and choose highlight. A subtle highlight can make a title or an important note pop without adding clutter. Have content you've already written elsewhere? Use import to bring it in. Click import, then choose a file from your computer. Once it lands on the page, simply drag that imported block into the center column so it adopts the same centered presentation. This is especially useful for pulling in a pre-written intro, a quote, or a short announcement without retyping. And that's it. By creating 3 columns, naming them for clarity, placing your content in the middle, and optionally adding a highlight or importing existing text, you'll get reliable, polished center alignment in Notion every time.